Good day, viewers. Today I've got Victor Nyamufukudza at Donbrook, where there was motocross round 3 national race. So we wanna hear and understand what was going on. We understand Victor came up number 1 on 3 races. So let's hear from Victor. Victor, tell us about the race. Tell us about you.
Like at 3 years, I was riding a bike we call a PV. Then my sister inspired me more to get to this point I am, and now I'm 12. I'm riding on an 85cc. Nas, I came first, and yeah, and my name is Victor Tinotenda Nyamufukudza, and the nickname is Mof.
I understand Mof came out from your totem, and
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Ana Mof and Mof yemukono. As I want to Mof yemukonyo. Okay, tell us more about this race, my guy.
First race and later, which was practice. I came first. Then second, which was first race of the national. I came first. I had a bad start, but I managed to come first. Then the third race, which was the second national race, I came first. Good start, but I fell, but I managed to catch up and came first. Then Pandazota last race, which was club race, night number 1 with the head start.
Victor, Zimbabwe in terms of big bikes, pano aunoziva here kana wakamboona?
One of them, but I know Unruly, I know Grinder. I used to see them one of these days.
Okay. I'll arrange one of the days kuti waone these guys. Baba nemwana Grinder anozvita baba, TJ ndiye mwana, asi mazuva ari kuclaima the title yekuva baba bozi, ndiye ari kukwikwidza kumaresi, even muZimbabwe ndiye ari kutonga, ane bike renyika. Victor, tell us more about motocross. I understand you follow big guys internationally, and you also wish to be one of my representatives in Zimbabwe and internationally achitimirira in terms of motocross. So tell us more. Chichakanya kuinspire kuti ujoin motocross?
My sister might have motocross before in Indatanga, before I was even born, before my parents even had the plan that I was going to be born.
Okay.
So she just encouraged me to try out. Then I thought it was good. And outside the country, like places like Europe, I know people like Danger Boy Deegan and what's his name, Jet Lawrence, and yeah. Motocross, I'm not racist. I encourage all of you guys, my blacks, come join me. Because riding anywhere I'm black, it's no longer fun. I need you guys to join me and let's have fun. This is the time you can shine.
Victor, I understand besides racing in Zimbabwe, you also raced among countries. Tell us more. Which countries did you visit where you did some race?
Okay, 2023, I visited SA, which was for what we call MXOM, Motocross of African Nations. Then 2024, ndakaenda to Morocco for the same event again, and I really enjoyed going to those places, and I really felt at home. And yeah, I also went to Uganda.
2 minutes. Thank you.
All right. When did you start riding bikes?
I started riding when I was 3 years old. Then I went on to, I started on a Peewee, then I went on to 50s, then I went on to 65s. Now I'm on an 85cc.
All right. What's the encouragement to my viewers like the youngsters?
Come and join me, guys. Come and enjoy. This is a really fun place. If you makauya makawanda,
Hello.
Muri same.
Thank you so much.